In this video, we're going to see how to add an external domain in Siteground. Stay tuned. Okay, here I made a list of the steps that I made. If you're going to purchase a domain, I recommend you that you use Namecheap. It's namecheap.com. There I already have a domain that I bought, and I'm going to connect it to Siteground. So I'm going to enter with my username and password. And there I will also open the Siteground site. When I recorded that video, I was in Italy. That is why it says .it, and it was in Italian. But I have I think a domain that I'm not using that was expiring. But forget about that. So the next step is after you log in your Siteground account and your external domain account, you have to connect your website to the domain that you bought. So there you go to my account and add on domains. There you will put the domain that you bought, the URL of the domain that you purchased. You need to write down a password. Sorry for that. And you click on add domain. And there you have it. Okay, next have to go inside Siteground to my account, information and settings, and there you have to copy that account DNS inside, in this case, your Namecheap account. That way you're going to connect the domain name to the hosting provider, in this case Siteground. So there you have the domain that I bought. You click on manage. Name server, and there you will add the domain servers. You can write custom DNS, and you just copy and paste the DNS that you have in information and settings of your Siteground account. These steps are probably very, very similar to any hosting provider. So now, if I'm not confused, we just need to wait. You can go to the cPanel, and for example, I want to create a WordPress site. I will click on install. There I will select the domain that I have. I will put it like HTTP for now, then I will change it for HTTPS. There you can change your username, password, etc. and click install. And that's basically it. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and turn on the notification, and keep tuned for the next video. Thank you very much. This is Andy from trickinside.com. See you on the next video. Bye bye.